Welcome you all children for this today's session. Up to last week we have learned about light, reflection and refraction. So any guesses children about today's topic? So today's we are going to deal with the chemistry chapter number 2. So what is the chapter 2 children? Yes. It is acids, bases and salts. What is meant by an acid? So this is a topic which you have already studied in grade 8. The fruits like apples, oranges and pineapples taste sour because they contain some acids. Acids also turn the blue litmus paper to red. As you are aware that the acids produces hydrogen, that is H plus ions in water. What exactly is the definition of acid? An acid is a substance which produces hydrogen ions, that is H plus ions in water. You can see a diagrammatic form here. It takes some small amount of acid and mix it in water. So after getting in dissolved in water, so they are going to produce H plus ions. For example, the hydrochloric acid dissolves in water to form hydrogen ions as well as chloride ions. So you can see in the equation part, HCl aqueous gives rise to H plus as well as Cl minus ions in the aqueous state. Majorly, the hydrogen ions are responsible for turning the blue litmus to red and give the acids their characteristic properties. Now let us see what is a base. A base is an oxide or hydroxide of a metal. Examples of bases are sodium oxide, sodium hydroxide, copper oxide, copper hydroxide, etc. So you may get some doubt. So can we see the bases in houses? Yes, we can see in the form of like a soaps. So generally soaps are the examples, and the soap solutions which are present in the homes, which are examples for bases. And a base when reacts with an acid to form salt and water. Example for that, if you can see here, copper oxide is a base reacting with a sulfuric acid to produce a salt, copper sulfate, as well as water. And this process of reaction which is happening between an acid and a base is nothing but called as neutralization.